back on the trail of the Stone Cold Killer. Adam and Jamie have proven a rock from a mower does not travel as fast as a bullet. But speed is not the only vicious vector.
So we were looking to compare the amount of energy generated from an impact with a bullet with the energy...
Shooting on the bike, is he over in this corner? I think he is. No way where green go.
generated from the impact with a rock. So imagine that this hammer can swing like a pendulum. Then let's take a gun and shoot the face of this hammer. What's going to happen? It's an indicator of how much energy the bullet brings to the equation. Now, if I fire a stone at the same hammer at the speed it would be kicked by a lawnmower, and the hammer moves the same amount, well, then we could conclude that the amount of energy being brought to the equation by the bullet is the same as the stone. That's the theory anyway. Let's see if it works.
Yep, the heavy stone may have been moving more slowly than the lighter bullet.
That's beautiful.
But this pendulum rig will illustrate and compare the energy of each. Its acrylic impact pad will efficiently transfer the energy of the bullet to the pendulum and can be replaced for each test.
Well, that looks nifty.
With the rig ready to swing, the first test will be to measure the bullet's impact.
Okay.
After that, it's back down to the gun range.
Gun is hot. All right. 357 on your mark.
Okay, here we go. Hopefully this doesn't wreck the rig. And 3, 2, 1.
The pendulum peaked at 60 degrees. But working on the basis that
If it ain't repeatable, it ain't science.
the guys go again.
And 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
That looked pretty consistent.
We did our two tests with the 357, and they were consistent. They were about 60 degrees. So we've got the data we need to move on to stones out of the lawnmower.
But if you thought that means no more guns, then think again.
Wow. Because stones from a lawnmower are hard to aim, because Adam's pendulum target is very small, we're going to take the lawnmower out of the equation and use a pneumatic launcher instead. We're going to first check to see that it's shooting the rock at the correct speed, 406.
Seriously? Awesome. Let's bring it in and shoot this thing.
And then we're going to bring in Adam's energy rig, hit it with a rock shot at 400 feet per second, and see how far up the pendulum goes.
This is it.
Good to go. Hey, safety's off.
Will a stone the same mass and velocity
Firing in 3,
as the fastest speed test stone
2,
match the energy of the lighter, lethal bullet?
1.
Dude, we gotta see the video, but I swear that went past 60 degrees.
With the crucial shot queued up,
All right.
did the rock hit the right angle?
Let's see how high it actually went. Wait. Oh my gosh, dude! Dude!
It went above the 357.
That's 66 degrees. That's more energy from the rock. I'm sorry I'm yelling, but I totally didn't expect this result. That is more energy from the rock than from a bullet from a 357. That is amazing. Shocking. Totally awesome. And I have been expressing my doubts about confirming this story since the beginning. I just never thought the rock was going to have anywhere close to